Welcome to WGU Prep YouTube channel. Access all practice questions. Health Information Management Capstone. Practice questions with answers. Question 1. What is the primary goal of a Health Information Management Capstone project? A. Increase staffing. B. Apply knowledge. C. Reduce costs. D. Limit services. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Apply knowledge. Explanation. A capstone project allows students to apply learned concepts and skills to real-world healthcare problems, demonstrating competency in health information management. Question 2. Which step involves identifying a problem for the capstone project? A. Data analysis. B. Problem selection. C. Outcome review. D. Project closure. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Problem selection. Explanation. Problem selection is the initial step where a relevant healthcare issue is identified for investigation and improvement. Question 3. Which component requires reviewing existing research and evidence? A. Data collection. B. Literature review. C. Outcome measures. D. Implementation plan. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Literature review. Explanation. A literature review examines existing studies and evidence to support the project and guide decision-making. Question 4. What is the purpose of data collection in a capstone project? A. Increase workload. B. Support findings. C. Reduce errors. D. Limit analysis. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Support findings. Explanation. Data collection provides evidence to evaluate the effectiveness of the project and support conclusions. Question 5. Which part outlines how the project will be carried out? A. Outcome report. B. Implementation plan. C. Problem statement. D. Data summary. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Implementation plan. Explanation. The implementation plan details the steps, timeline, and resources required to execute the project successfully. Question 6. Which component defines how success will be measured? A. Data analysis. B. Outcome measures. C. Literature review. D. Risk assessment. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Outcome measures. Explanation. Outcome measures establish criteria for evaluating whether the project goals have been achieved. Question 7. What is the role of data analysis in the capstone project? A. Collect information. B. Interpret results. C. Plan activities. D. Assign tasks. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Interpret results. Explanation. Data analysis involves examining collected data to identify trends, evaluate outcomes, and draw conclusions. Question 8. Which step ensures the project follows ethical and legal standards? A. Risk management. B. Compliance review. C. Task scheduling. D. Budget planning. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Compliance review. Explanation. A compliance review ensures that the project adheres to healthcare laws, regulations, and ethical guidelines. Question 9. Which factor is important for sustaining project outcomes? A. Limited monitoring. B. ongoing evaluation. C. Reduced staffing. D. Short timelines. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Ongoing evaluation. Explanation. Ongoing evaluation ensures that improvements are maintained and adjustments are made when necessary. Question 10. Which is the final step of a capstone project? A. Data collection. B. Project evaluation. C. Problem selection. D. Literature review. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Project evaluation. Explanation. Project evaluation is the final step where outcomes are assessed and conclusions are drawn about the project's effectiveness. Thank you for watching. For more practice questions, subscribe to our website at WGUPracticeQuestions.com.